Breaking news! We have the best Black Friday deals available here. We literally have the best deal. You're not going to find anything better.
It's 100% off. You can get our photography buying guide, which I spent years writing. Now I'm just giving it to you for free because there goes years of my life. It's a whole book dedicated to figuring out which camera, lens, flash, etc. you should buy. It explains
Tripod.
all those technical things. Just go to northrup.photo. Go through the checkout process. You don't have to put a credit card in.
All right, then KEH is also having a sale, 10% off of almost everything. I don't really know what that means. But
It's used camera gear, lenses, tripods, lights. We buy a lot of our stuff from them. Go to our link. Be sure to use our coupon code.
yeah, that gives us credit, so it makes this all worth it. And then DxO is also having a sale. They're having 50% off of their software. Maybe you saw our DxO video. It's a non-subscription photo editing software. It can also be used with Lightroom if you want to do that, but they have really cool software that like simulates film as well, so you can go check it out and use our link sdp.io/DxO. And speaking of Adobe, if you still want to get Adobe, then they have a 50% off deal, so you can go to sdp.io/Adobe deal, and you might want to get the whole year to get extra savings if that's what you're into.
Pay annually instead of monthly, it's even cheaper. So if you do have to pay Adobe, you might as well pay them as little as possible. Let's talk about our stuff now, because we have the coupon code BF24 at northrup.photo, which gives you 25% off everything, including the award-winning photography book, Stunning Digital Photography, which has sold more than 1 million copies, the best-selling photography book of the last decade. It's the best way to learn photography, whether you're using mirrorless, DSLR, your smartphone, your drone. It covers all the techs.
Yeah, you can get the ebook for under $8, so that's a really good deal. But
And 40 hours of video.
if you want to print copy, you can do that too. And then there's a ton of video training. It's a loss leader, if you know what that means. We also have our brand new Lightroom book out. It's Lightroom Classic 2024. It's 25% off, and this book will be signed if you get it because we the paperback, because we just released it this year, so we do that for our new books. So go to northrup.photo. Why is our dog scratching right now of all time? She's just so excited about the sales. Your glasses are filthy. Have you really been breaking the news in these things? I'm surprised you can see the news.
I don't.
It looks like you put Vaseline on the lens. You know what I can see? 25% off our Lightroom training book. This is our other Lightroom book.
There's Lightroom Classic. So figure out which one you use and get the appropriate book.
If you can figure it out, that's the challenge. And if you figure it out, you'll get savings. We also have a Photoshop book with 10 hours of video training, never before seen on YouTube or anything like that.
Yeah, and the ebook is updated with all the AI stuff.
Let's get into gear deals, because if you're looking for new gear, now's the time, babies. It's all on sale.
Yeah, follow this link and you can just browse all the different Sony cameras, but I will highlight a couple of deals that I found. The Sony a7 III, which won our camera of the year, is $1,150. It was $2,000 when it was new, and it was an incredible value then. You can get the a7R IV with 42 megapixels. Awesome camera. You didn't even upgrade to the a7R V. It was that good, and it's under $2,000 if you use our link here. But go fast because those things do sell out. Canon, this is the link goes to all the Canon deals, but here's a couple I found that are really good. The Canon RP for $661. This is a full frame camera. That's what we use in our podcast studio still. We have 3 of them, and we've had them since they were new. It's an awesome camera. Full frame, $660. Or upgrade to the Canon R8, which is a more modern camera, great video, autofocus, 4K video, with a 24 to 50 lens for under $1,400 at that link.
Hey, that's a good Christmas gift for the up-and-coming photographer in your life, too, because it's versatile and it's pretty affordable and it's going to have a good resale value, too. Let's keep going.
You know, I keep pointing to the links like this because that's what I do in the news piece, because in the news I have the screen right here,
yes,
but your face is here. So
please
I don't know.
Link.
Don't click Chelsea to try to get the camera deals.
The Canon R6 II, great autofocus, another great camera for under $2,000.
Yeah, awesome sports camera. Or the Canon R5, which we compared to the new Canon R5 Mark II right there, and we thought the R5 was still a really good deal. But the new one is $4,500. This one is under $2,500 if you use my link here. But get it fast before it sells out.
Did you just point to me again?
I can't help it.
It's rude to point, Tony. Let's talk about video training. If you want to learn about photography, but you don't want a bunch of ads on YouTube, or you're tired of trying to piecemeal something together and you click on a video and you're like, oh my God, hurry up, get to the point, I'm freaking dying. Life is only so long. You are gonna wanna just buy something, and one of them is our How to Flash series, where you teach you how to improve your photos using Flash. It's 25% off at northrup.photo. Another video series we have is the Art and Science of Photography. Tony gets all geeky with the science numbery stuff, and I'm like, hey, what about art? Don't you guys want a picture that actually looks aesthetically pleasing? So we talk about how to change your mind in a more artistic mode and get more beautiful photos. It's 25% off. Northrup.photo. That's our website. Northrup.photo. And then we also have taking and selling professional portraits. We have professional photographer Sam Shannon come in on this one because she is a salesperson. She does in-person sales. She's done sales her whole life. She teaches you how to actually convert your art into a living and how to make enough money to actually live your life that way. We include some contracts and things like that, 25% off also. Let's talk about apparel in our store. We don't want to do it anymore.
We're done. I need
We're
the closet
done.
space back.
We need our closet space back.
You want a t-shirt or a hat, you buy it now, or you're going to the Goodwill in Groton, Connecticut to buy it, because that's where they're going on Monday.
Apparel is now 60% off. Our shirts are $9.99. Our hats also on sale. A mask, who even wants to think about that?
The Synology NAS with 2 drives. That means you can offload all your pictures, all your video, and put in 2 redundant drives. We use Synology all the time, so 25% off at that link. And
These
we also
are
have,
not any better. I swear you need to find a sale on glasses.
have you
cleaner.
tried like squinting?
No.
We also have discounts on our presets, 50% off with the coupon PR24. That's a different coupon code. I don't know if you have to check out twice if you're buying different stuff. I don't know how that works.
You made my presets $8. I work really hard on those, Tony. 60% off Tony's technical presets.
Yeah, pull them into Lightroom
Creative
or Lightroom
presets.
Classic, really creative and now super inexpensive.
Okay, that's it. We'll put all the links in the description down below so that you can see everything. You can click on them. I hope you like it. I hope you get what you want for the holidays, and see you next time.
Bye.